I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a faultless Friday. Viernes impeccable. Have a great weekend.
Good morning, Frederick High School. Is Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: who was the first president to use the Oval Office? Was it William Howard Taft, Franklin D. Roosevelt, George Washington, or Abraham Lincoln? As always, drop your answer in the box below and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.
Driving on the highway, cruising so fast, I want time to fly. Fun, fun, think about fun. You know what it is. I got this, you got this. My friend is by my right. Hey, I got this, you got this. Now you know it. Kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat can I take? It's Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Weekend. Friday, Friday. Getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, partying. Partying, partying. Fun, 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 fun. Looking forward to the weekend. Yesterday was Thursday, Thursday. Today it's Friday, Friday. We so excited. We so excited. We gonna have a ball today. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday comes afterwards. I don't want this weekend to end.
R.B. Rebecca Black. So chillin' in the front side, in the back seat. I'm driving, cruising, fast lane, switching lanes.